We just had an open field where we would grow them. So I think about the way the plant looks when I'm putting them into an arrangement. So we've got taller spikes in the center, and then the shorter spikes towards the outside. Look, it's natural and it comes right to the edge of the container. So now we've got the passion vine. I'm just gonna strip that back and go in to our last area of foam. That leaves those passion flowers right there at the front. It's definitely a different style of arrangement because it was inspired by the flowers. Seeing beautiful flowers like that makes me create an arrangement that's befitting them, looking at the way they might be growing towards the light or the idiosyncrasies of the stem itself.